more about intermolecular attractions. So we have intermolecular attractions are the attractions between the molecules. And depending on the strength and what is the reason behind the strength of that intermolecular attraction, we have three major types. There's one that's called hydrogen bonding. There is a dipole-dipole attraction, and then there is the van der Waals attractions, which are also referred to as London dispersion. So notice I have the IMA names listed top to bottom, and so hydrogen bonding tops the list, and it is the strongest type of intermolecular attractions between molecules. So hydrogen bonding, this exists between the most polar molecules. And there are some criteria. The hydrogen atoms are covalently bonded to the atoms with the biggest electronegativity values. So our little thing to remember, hydrogen bonding is fun, and we spell fun F-O-N. So that means that hydrogen is bonded to fluorine, it's bonded directly to the oxygen or to the nitrogen. So a molecule would be like hydrogen fluoride. It could be water, or it could be something as simple as like ammonia, where the nitrogen is directly bonded to one of these atoms in a molecule. And what happens is that these molecules tend to have asymmetrical shapes, meaning their shapes are lopsided, and they tend to have large electronegativity differences. H bonding, so this intermolecular attraction is so strong as it causes the molecules to have abnormally high boiling points. Okay? So the best example of hydrogen bonding is between water molecules, because that would be the one substance we see a lot of. The middle of the ground attraction are dipole-dipole attractions, and these exist, or the dipoles exist because of one of two. They exist between polar molecules, and these molecules are considered polar because either they have an asymmetrical shape or their END is greater than 0.5. And so these definitely have some partial charges, unequal bond distribution. The weakest of the IMAs is van der Waals, or what we know as London dispersions. These exist between all molecules. So molecules that exhibit, like water, that exhibit hydrogen bonding, they also exhibit the van der Waals London dispersion. These are very, very weak. This is the only type of IMA to form between nonpolar molecules. And nonpolar molecules, they have a symmetrical shape, and their END tends to be less than 0.5. And this type of attraction is created by disrupting or distorting the electron distribution in the electron cloud. And this is temporary. So this is a temporary distribution, because when two molecules come to move close together, they have these electron clouds. One electron cloud repels the other. And then when they move apart, it's able to go back and forth. So just know that the strongest IMA is the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is fun, and it creates unusually high boiling points. Water molecule is the best example.